Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the default WooCommerce variation dropdowns with modern product swatches. By default, WooCommerce displays product variations as simple dropdown menus and makes your product pages look dull. With Smart Swatches, you can instantly transform them into clean, modern variation buttons. So let's get started. First, install and activate the Smart Swatches plugin on your WordPress website. Once the plugin is activated, go to Smart Swatches from your WordPress dashboard. Under the General Settings tab, you will find the Auto Convert dropdowns to button option. Simply enable it, then click Save Changes. Now, visit any variable product on your WooCommerce store. You'll immediately notice that the default WooCommerce variation dropdowns have been replaced with clean and attractive button swatches. You can also customize how the disabled variation attributes look. Simply choose your preferred disabled attribute style and select a color that matches your store's design. After saving the changes, the new styling will be applied instantly, creating a cleaner shopping experience for your customers. Smart Swatches also lets you go beyond simple buttons. You can display product variations as beautiful color swatches or image swatches, making it even easier for customers to choose the exact product they want. If you'd like to learn how to create color swatches or image swatches for your WooCommerce products, check out the tutorial links in the video description. And that's it! Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other tutorials for more useful tips.